Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but inside it's so delightful. Welcome to the Snowman Factory Christmas 2019, where we're pleased to take you on a mini tour of the shop for this year, show you some of our new items, lots of LED lights, some of which are toppers for Christmas trees, outdoor balls that can be hung, watched over, of course, by Mr. and Mrs. Snowman, and by one of those crazy elves on the bicycle. Some items for the dining room table and couch. Pre-lit parcels for display. Little critters everywhere, snowman, teddy bears, mice, First Nations product, a ride for the snowman and for the mice in the great train, watched carefully by the Moose Patrol. One of our features, the First Nations soy candles. A little more decor for the Christmas tree, supervised by Mr. Claus. A wonderful mantle, decorative pieces. Again, a few more LED lights to accentuate a 7-foot Christmas tree. Little Mr. Sheep. And finally into our little annex room, new for this year, I Love Santa t-shirts, slippers, runners, scarves, and lastly, into our little annex room, tea towels, tree skirts, fun little snowman ornaments, Christmas cookies and biscuits, a few last snowmen, and battery candles and battery LED mini lights. We look forward to your visit and hope to see you soon.